In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass update your employees' availability. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. You must be logged into a specific location. So select your location, then click Employees. Go to your new top menu bar and select Tools, and choose Update Availability from the drop-down menu. You should now arrive at your employees' availability. You should see to the left a chart with your employees. You'll see their name, their crew, and their status. If I want to mass update everyone's availability for all locations, I will click on this arrow, choose Add Global, then to select all of the employees, I will click this box. Now I can change everyone's availability at the same time for all of these locations. If I go over to this chart, I can choose the day, whether they are available or not. That's what enabled means. Their priority, which is how much I want them to work that day or they want to work that day. If they're available all day or part of the day. Their preferred hours and their total hours. To deselect everyone, I can click this box again. Let's say I don't want to add a global availability. To make this go away, I will click the arrow next to Add Global and select Delete Global. Now I'm no longer creating a global availability. Let's say this is a retail store and I want to create a date-based availability because everyone has to work on Black Friday. I can go up to this arrow and select Add Date Based. Then I can select everyone. I will give this date-based availability a name, Black Friday. Then I will go and change these dates, and I will go to November 23rd and November 23rd. Now I'm going to say everyone is enabled. This is a Friday, and I'm going to say everyone has a high priority because I need people to work this day. And it's listed at all day. If I like my changes and I want to save this, I will scroll down to the bottom and choose Update. A green save bar will appear next to Update, letting me know that these changes have been saved and everyone is now available to work on Black Friday. If I scroll back up and click this arrow next to Action, you'll see there are 3 ways I can change people's availability. I can do a global change, which affects all locations and will go into effect until it is changed. A local template only affects a specific location. Right now, this local availability will automatically affect the after hours location because that's the location I am logged in under. So this local availability will automatically affect whatever location you are logged in under. The local availability is also in effect until it is changed. The date-based availability is for a specific set of dates. It will end after those dates and is for a specific location. If I want to delete availabilities, I can click those delete buttons. I can also choose to change specific employees' availability. To do that, I will uncheck this box and choose those employees. Let's say this one, and this one. Then I could create a specific availability for those employees. And that's how you can mass update your employees' availability. Check out the next video to learn how to manage your employees' leave.